the smaller schools. And later on, happy to answer questions if you have questions. Thank you very much for the moment.
So, I'm Ashok Amardas. I'm the director of this technical campus and the principal of Don Bosco Polytechnic College. So in this campus we have three main segments of work. One is the Polytechnic, that's a diploma level program. The number two is the ITI, that's a NCBT approved government level, that's a 2 years program. And then we have all this industrial linked programs such as Mahindra, we have Schneider Electric, North Ramsey, Yamaha, and this we have started with Zwick Royal Academy. These are industrial linked programs. So what we do here with the boys, and you know Don Bosco, actually you should have heard about Don Bosco, maybe Don Bosco Egmore or St. Leeds. Okay, these are prestigious schools, but we have Don Bosco institutions like this where we cater to only poor and marginalized youth. And you see this setup. I have been to a setup like this in India, in IIT Madras. Okay, so you know who are the children who visit IIT Madras? IIT Madras or IIT Mumbai, they hold missions like this for material testing, for the students to learn material testing. And I think next to IIT Madras, I think Don Bosco Basin Bridge has these missions to test. And who are going to use not IITians, the boys who have not yet even passed 10th standard, or who have failed, or who have failed. These are the boys we target. These are the boys and these are our target boys. And all the programs here, you see like Yamaha, Mahindra, and all the programs, industrial links program, are for boys who are of this category. Because the boys who pass, able to do study well, they go for diploma, they go for engineering, and they go on a vertical scale, they go higher. But the boys who are dropouts, they don't know what to do, so they are just standing by here. You know, we are located among the slums. Okay, even though you know how Basin Bridge is, right? The Puliando. Okay, we are the boys from this area, and our institute has been present here for nearly 67 years, and we are doing 68 years here. And we didn't have any problem with our students, our staff, even though we are surrounded by all the roads around the Chennai present. And these boys visit our campus, and every evening to say around 300 boys, girls visit our campus, they play here. And around 450 are here in the campus at present doing diploma, ITI and industrial link program, and they are well used. And past 67 years, always our placements are 100%. And the boys are gone. The most important people who take our boys are from Indian Railways. Leyland also takes, then we have people going to different, because our boys have more skill level. They know how to operate our missions. And if you see, all our missions are not, it's not like computer oriented, where you stimulation oriented. No, these are real missions. These are real missions which we are here. And this will be an example for you to show what type of training is given to the boys of that poor category. So this setup is mainly set up for the boys who are dropout. And first they started with 6 people, but we wanted it to be 12 people, because 6 is a very small number for us. For Indians, 6 is a very small number. But it's the maximum number to get facilitated by this facility. So we increased it up to 12. And you know how many applied for it? Nearly 22 applied for it. And out of 22, many engineers also applied. Many engineers who are completed with engineering applied, mechanical engineering applied for this course. But we have to reject them, because this was started in the motion, not for engineers, because they can go anywhere to learn things. But this was for the poor. So we selected really poor, orphans, semi-orphans, and the Yamaha we already have people who are of juvenile nature, juvenile kids. We have the leper kids. We work for AIDS patients, AIDS affected parents, sons are studying there. So we target only these type of people who come from different Don Bosco institutions or referred by somebody of that category. We go and they fill the application form to us. Then we send our staffs to study the situation, how they are from, how their family is, are they saying lies, are they saying truth, and all those things. Then we have 3 stages of interview. First stage we see with their parents and all those things. Second stage of interview we had, and the third stage of interview to find out if it was, because really we don't want any dropouts from him. Boy, if he becomes a dropout here, he is missing something big in his life. He has lost something big in his life. We didn't want that category to happen. So we really make sure the boys don't leave, and once they start, they are the retentive to his side. And if they are placed, and there is a lot of demand for this testing. You know, he told you just a few examples, but to say everything in this world is tested, if you have to do a small metal or any object for the matter, it has to be tested. And you know, Chennai is the Detroit of car company. Okay? All the cars are made, produced here. So they use so many spare parts, and everything has to be tested. And they all have this testing machines in all the companies. And they need operators for this. And the need for this machine is very, a need for the operators for these machines are very high. That's why we have brought this. That's a short-term course of 1 year. Maybe we are trying to scale it high, and by next year we are trying to get it approved by the government as NCVT program, the National Vocational Training Program. Already we got the Yamaha approved this year, so Yamaha has become we started like this, something like this, and our program has been approved by the government and it has got NCVT affiliation now. Same thing we are trying to do with this, therefore we get an NCVT affiliation for this program in a year. So this is a very particular type of program for this course. This is what we are going to do here. This is what our campus is about. And apart from this, we have an industrial license. This institute, we hold an industrial license where we don't have any laborers. The laborers are our boys. And we produce things. We produce carpentry machines. And we were producing parts for ISRO and Ambasur tank factory for the government projects we were doing here. But as of late, as 3 years since a lot of development is happening, we stopped taking production at a bigger level. When it's smaller level, we do production. Carpentry is still going on, but machine shop production we are just downgraded because all the sets are to be renovated and made good for the boys. This is what is happening in this institute. And we fathers are here, we are just managers, we run the institute, and we have so many staffs working under us, around 47 staffs are there, including ITA and Polytechnic and non-formal staffs who are for these for staffs who are of this industrial link program. And apart from that, we have a non-formal program in which we train boys and we give certificate on particular things, like especially like welding. Like only a boy, if he can be doing a polytechnic for 3 years, but he will be interested that father, I would like to learn refrigeration, air conditioning. So he can undergo this program. This is a 1-month program we offer to this, especially to our boys who are in the campus and who want to get really skilled. These boys, we offer them like a non-formal program, package program for 1 month, 2 months, and then we certify them. And this becomes additional quality, skill quality for these boys. These are the things which we do in our campus. Right? Now we can have